Lily boy,
Yes.
I'm coming. What are you doing there? Where are you? Love, love. Love, you look at here, sabi. Oy, get up. Get up.
Start here.
Yeah, I know. What is that? What are you doing? You tell me what you're doing. What are you doing? You're catching fish. Show me your fish. Where's your fish? Where are you going? Show me your fish. Where? Can I see it? Show me your fish. Where? Show it to mommy.
Wait for me.
Where?
Here.
Where? Oh, that's so much fish. It's very big.
Yeah, come on.
What are you gonna do to that fish?
I'm going to eat that.
You're going to eat that?
It's so yummy. Oh, it's good on the fish.
Okay.
Sorry, buckle on the mommy.
Okay. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Are you happy? And mommy is happy too, right? Ooh, what's that?
A guava.
Oh, a guava.
What's right here? What is it? Like a green guava.
Okay.
It's funny. Like a cycle.
Okay. What are you doing? Hmm?
There's another one over there.
Mm.
Come on.
Just only play around here lang. Do not go there.
Come on.
Do not go there.
It's here.
Mommy still have some stuff to do, okay?